Hi all, today I am going to discuss one important interview question that how to read data from Excel sheet. So for that purpose, so first of all, let's discuss what is the agenda today. So as I just mentioned that we are going to discuss on how to read data from the Excel sheet. And for that, we have agenda today. First thing, how to download Apache PY dependency. And this is a URL we need to use to download the dependency. These are the three dependency we need to download. Okay. These are the three dependency we need to download from this MBN repository website. So I can show you that. This is the website. So here we can search whatever means I just shown you that this dependency we need. Okay, first we need POI. So we can search like this. So this one we can download. We just click on this and what are there are three dependencies. One is org Apache PY. Org Apache PY. This one we need to download. And the next one POI OOXML. So POI OOXML. This one we need to download. Okay, and the third one is POI Scratchpad. So POI Scratchpad. So this we need to download. And just we can just click on this. Then we can select. We just click on 5.3 and we copy it. And then we can go to our form.xml and we can include here all the because I have already included this dependency. I'm just telling you how to do that. Whenever you will save this form.xml file, these dependency will automatically download to your Eclipse. So this is regarding how to download Apache PY dependency. Then now we will proceed with how to read data from Excel sheet. So I have already created one Excel sheet. I can show you that. So this is the Excel sheet I have already created. Okay. So this Excel sheet has 5 rows and 4 columns. And first row is header. So we will print the table data from second row. Okay. So for this purpose, let's create one class here. So reading Excel. Okay. I am selecting public static void main so that we can get main method to our class. Okay. So here we will be using uh, file. First of all, we need to uh, string path. We need to system.get property. So here user.dir. So we will be getting path till the project folder. Now we will go here, right click on this and go to the property, and from source we can copy the path. So like this we can get the path of the Excel sheet. Now what we need to do? Now we will be using Apache PY XSSF. So workbook is equal to new workbook. So before that, we need to use file input stream fs new file input stream, and here we can pass the path of the file, and when we will over it, we can download file input stream from java.io. Okay, then we can download this XSF workbook from Apache POI. Okay, now what it is asking? It is asking to surround with catch, try catch. So this one also we can include under try. Okay, now workbook dot get sheet. Okay, so one more thing here, we need to pass the file input stream object. Now what we need? We need get sheet. Okay, so what we can do here? So what here we are going to take dot get sheet at. Okay, what it returns? It will return XSF sheet. XSF sheet. So when we hover it, we can download XSF sheet from Apache POI. Okay. Now we can surround with existing catch block. Okay. Now what next? So what is our approach? First we are accessing workbook, then sheet, then row, and then cell. So for reading our Excel sheet, I am going to use two for loop, one outer for loop and one inner for loop. So outer for loop I am using for rows. So we can see here we need to capture data from the second row. So in Excel sheet, indexing starts from 0. Okay. So our loop related to row should start from 1. then or is less than is equal to. So how many rows are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to provide here maximum limit 4 and R plus plus. And now we need to write logic for columns. So integer C is equal to, it will start from 0. Okay. And C is less than is equal to, so how many columns are there? 4. So indexing starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we need to provide 3 and C plus plus. So here we can print it here. Okay. So how we can print a sheet dot get row. So we will pass here row number. Then dot get cell. Get cell. So we need to pass here column variable. Okay. So I think we are done with our coding. Let's forward Control Shift and F, Control S, and let's run it. And we can see we are getting the expected output or not. So right click, run as Java application. Yes, we can see here we are getting, this is our Excel sheet. So we are learning, learn Selenium, amaze Selenium. This is the first row, learn Selenium, amaze Selenium, and what is the last row? Master in Selenium, okay, Selenium 400. So these things here. So like this, we can read data from Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video.